Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series of economics. Students, today I'll be talking about the concept of Phillips curve. Now, Phillips curve basically examines the relationship between the rate of unemployment and the rate of money wages, and which are changing respectively. Now, this curve is known after the person, Mr. A.W. Phillips, who has identified it and who has expressed an inverse relationship between the rate of unemployment and the increase in money wages. Now, this was a kind of an experiment which was done by Phillips, now who was actually a professor of London School of Economics, and who actually tested the behavior and the unemployment rate of UK for the year 1961 to 1957. Now, with this, he found that the rate of unemployment and the rate of increase in money wages, they are actually inversely related. Now, when I'm saying inversely related, this means when there is a higher rate of unemployment, the rate of money wage was like a high rate of unemployment, the money wage rate was low. And when there was low rate of unemployment, the money wage was high. Now, this can be depicted through a graph which is drawn below. Now, here on x-axis, we are representing the level of unemployment, and y-axis the rate of like inflation, that is the rate of change of money wage rate. Okay, so now with this curve, you find that it is an inversely related, means it's a downward sloping curve. Now, downward sloping curve means basically that shows the inverse relationship between unemployment and the rate of money wage rates, rate of change of money wage rates. Now, with this, I can conclude from the graph itself that at a lower level of unemployment rate, generally there is excess demand for labor. Now, when there is obviously at a lower rate, there is an excess demand. Now, this excess demand will cause wage rate to rise. But on other end, when the rate of unemployment increases, so if the rate of unemployment increases, now the bargaining power of the trade unions erodes, and this lead to a slow rise in the money wage rate of the laborers. Now, you can easily see from this curve. Now, so this is basically the concept which was given. Now, this curve basically, yeah, here it is mentioned the zero rate of inflation can be achieved with the high positive rate of unemployment. That is, say, 5% or near full employment situation can be attained with the like a rate with the cost of high rate of inflation. So there exists a trade-off between inflation and unemployment. Now, in this case, you can conclude higher the inflation rate, lower is the unemployment level. So this was the concept, student. This is actually a very important question for short question point of view. You'll be questioned on will be supposed to write a note on Phillips curve. So please remember that. सिर्फ बेसिक एक बात याद रखनी है कि बेसिकली इन्होंने इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप बोली थी और दो फैक्टर्स की बात करी थी. वन वाज रेट ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, अनदर वाज द रेट ऑफ चेंज इन द मनी वेज रेट ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज. ओके.